I was just sitting at home on Sunday, and then I got a text message that said we might be able to hang out at Weir's house and do some nerding. We're gonna try again with maybe less suck this time. Maybe more suck, who knows? Professor's got him so far, but often Weir will lay in wait and then he'll take you out. Oh, dude, the harpoon barrel roll was pretty sweet. All right. Green truck's losing a rear fender. That's pretty sweet. Oh, look at his weak old batteries. That's just why you do lipo storage, folks. Quadcopter time. We got the track broken a little bit, so I'm gonna try the quadcopter. And I did one warm-up pack, and I feel like I completely forgot how to fly, so I started like freestyle shredding the backyard, and I feel like it got pretty good, so probably gonna break some stuff. I lowered the camera angle. I brought my wedge this time, so chasing the cars hopefully will be better. Wish me luck. All right, so Everett's in the green truck, Mr. Weir's in the yellow truck. I'm gonna sit down for this one, I think. That was freaking awesome. I'm just saying, like, I got some shots, I hope. I feel like that went pretty okay. Like, I didn't suck, I didn't hurt anybody, and they're still out there ripping. Oh no! Terrible choke. The final lap of 3, as Everett is here to redeem himself in the green truck. Weir is trying to prove that he owns the track. Oh, sends it too hard with clapped out suspension, but Weir gets it all sorts of wrong. But the win is the double, so he already won. This is a 3-lap battle. Winner gets $20 on Venmo. You guys have to Venmo each other $20 for whoever loses. No. That's what they do on the skateboard channels.
I don't know what Venmo is. I don't skate, bro.
Oh, okay, fine. 3, 2, 1, go. And plus, RC and money racing is bad. Dude, pretty close so far. Usually, Mark tries to hold back and, oh, just keep going. Terrible. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh man.
Oh god, that was the biggest crash I've ever seen.
Never seen so much destruction in one row.
Alright. Oh, a bit of a bobble. He corrects.
Oh, I just got lipo.
Oh, we got here just in time. While on dead battery, elbows up the whole way. I like it. In case you didn't know, maybe you haven't seen, this is Mr. Weir's backyard. Mark Weir is a professional mountain bike racer. Well, maybe he used to be professional mountain bike racer. Now he's just gets paid to party, and he's got this sick ass backyard that has like, there's a pump track. See that? That's a pump track. There's like some sort of half track thing going on over here. The Lurkers Lounge. There's a rock crawl trail that runs along the fence back there. Super party patio, garage, charge barn, chickens, and the Peacock Pit racetrack, which is pretty amazing. I'm gonna fly the copter. They're gonna race the trucks. He even has like trucks for his buddies to run. If you're qualified to drive, you're allowed to. All right, so we're gonna try again. Those guys put fresh battery packs. We've been chilling for a minute. I'm gonna get my gear ready, and I'm gonna go shred Peacock Pit. Oh man, all my props are hammered. You guys, did you run me over, you jerks?
He's on the scene. He's the first to leave. Drinking Ovaltine since he was 14. He's self-aware. He gave the first TED talk. Can't remember the name. Treat you all the same. Oh, wow, he's a wow, he's a oh, he's a wow, he's a oh. Yeah, he's not a duck guy. I said he's not a duck. He ain't no duck. He's a funky duck.
That was a good one.
You're getting shit on my beer, bro.